everyone, welcome to our lesson 9 class 5 of African drum with singing. Today we are going to do the fourth verse of our song Not Yet Uhuru. Our fourth verse is gonna go like this. Not yet Uhuru, not yet Uhuru, not yet Uhuru, not yet Uhuru, not yet Uhuru. Not yet Uhuru, I not yet Uhuru, not yet Uhuru. Let's try it again. Not yet Uhuru, 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 I not yet Uhuru, not yet Uhuru. Let's sing it while playing the African drum. Let's try it again. Not yet Uhuru, 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 hi, not yet Uhuru, not yet Uhuru. This is the end of our African drum with singing. If you are interested in learning more with us, you can hit the like button, comment and subscribe. See you next time. Goodbye.